the support at $55 below. Initial, ayan. Alright. So ngayon, from a pure technical, medyo maliit kami, Randa, no? Maliit yung ating chart kasi kakasimula pa lang ng coin. So the technicals can get invalidated. They can because the market is pumping, no? But on key levels, nababantayan natin kami, Randa. I'm going to remove my Fibonacci's now. Okay, so I'm going to respect this candle, no? So let's quickly go and check our candle. So I'm going to respect this support, the support at $55 below, right? And this one, mas magiging maganda itong support na ito, no? This one, around $50. Ayan, so yan pwede siyang, depende kung bubutasin niya ito, no? Kung bubutasin niya itong resistance na yan, the market can still retest at $50, no? From a support perspective.